What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Lebron Next Generation I Promise colorway. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here on the first sample, you see on the marking area the lace hole is a little bit sloopy on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic is placed right in the middle, and also don't forget the stitching on the Nike shoes is a lot more crooked, a lot more messed up on the fake one than on the authentic. The authentic is smooth and clean. And also look at the leather here. On the fake one is a little bit lower, whereas on the authentic the leather here is a little bit higher. You can see the different. You can see the line here, and the leather here is slightly to the right on the fake one than on the authentic. As you can see here on the marking area, the stitching on the fake one is just V shape, but on the authentic is X. You can see here is form X stitching. Another sample, still same. You can see the lace hole is a little bit sloopy, and the Nike shoes here, the stitching on the Nike shoes is messed up. You can see here it's too narrow, it's not on the same size. And still same, the leather is slightly go down, it's a little bit lower. Nike shoes is a little bit go down also on the fake one than on the authentic. And this one you can see on the marking area, you can see between the stitching and the lace hole is too close. There is almost no gap here on the marking area, whereas on the authentic one you can see there is a lot more gap between the lace hole and the stitching. And this one, another sample, still same. Almost the majority of flaws here are on the stitching. You can see on the stitching always like this. You can see the stitching is crooked, it's messed up, and you can see the stitching on the tongue is V shape, whereas on the authentic one it's X shape. And this one you can see on the marking area, the stitching on top of the lace sole is a lot more narrow, a lot more smaller and narrow compared to the authentic. The authentic is a lot more bigger and wider. Another sample, you can see on the marking area, there is no gap between the black Nike shoes and the pink one, whereas on the authentic there is a little bit gap here there is a gap between the pink and the black Nike shoes. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, you can see the air zoom letter here is slightly come up on the fake one than on the authentic. The authentic is placed right in the middle. And also look at on the stitching on the fake one, it's a little bit narrow here on my pointer, a little bit narrow and shorter than the authentic. And another sample, still same, the air zoom is a little bit come up. The stitching mostly, you can see here on my pointer, the stitching is crooked, it's messed up, it's not on the same level like the authentic one. And also you can see the lace hole here is not, you can see there is you can see here the lace hole, between the lace hole and the stitching here has no gap on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic has a little bit gap. And moving on the toe box here, as you can see, the toe cap size on the fake one is a little bit lower, a little bit straight here on my pointer compared to the authentic. The authentic is a little bit higher and slightly rounded. Moving to the right shoes, as you can see here, just like the left shoes, you can see the stitching. First thing you have to note is the stitching here. Stitching is always messed up like this, it's crooked. And also the leather here slightly go down on the fake one, it's a little bit lower. And another sample, you can see here on the marking area, there is no gap here on the fake one than on the authentic. This one also the stitching is messed up. And another sample, still same, you can see the leather is slightly go down, slightly just straight, just a little bit lower. The stitching also messed up here, you can see. Moving from above here, as you can see on the tongue, you can see it's pretty easy. You can see the stitching here on the tongue, it forms V shape, whereas on the authentic there is a X stitching here. You can see there is a X. Another sample, still same, you can see there is a X stitching on the authentic one, however on the fake one there is only V shape. And this one on the Nike LBG embroidery, you can see on the fake one is the LBG here is slightly go down, it's too close with the stitching here, whereas on the authentic there is a little bit gap between the LBG and the stitching. And moving on the back of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, there's no gap between the Nike shoes, the pink Nike shoes and the black Nike shoes. There's no gap. And look at on the marking area, as you can see here, there is only V shape on the fake one, V-shape stitching, whereas on the authentic there is a X you can see here, a little bit transparent X shape. And another one, this one you can see there is on just V-shape stitching, whereas on the authentic there is a X stitching. And another sample, still same, you can see V, the authentic is X. And another sample, always be same, you can see a lot more transparent on the marking area here, and it's V shape, the authentic X shape. And another one, this one, there is no gap here between the two Nike shoes. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.